In today's video, I'm going to show you how to undo delete in Notion. So let's say as an example, I'm going to delete this page over here and I'm going to move it to trash. And now if you want to undo it, you just want to press Command Z or Control Z on your keyboard. And this is basically going to undo the deletion. Or you can also click on this Move to Trash Restore button over here. But this button is temporary, so it means it's not going to be all the time over here and it's going to disappear after some time. Right? So if you didn't make it, so let's say I'm gonna move it to trash again. And now I'm gonna wait for this button to disappear and I'm gonna show you how you can undo it. So now, when the button is gone, we want to scroll on the left side and we want to go to trash. And everything you deleted is going to be stored over here for the next 30 days. So you can restore it only in the next 30 days, because after the 30 days, it will be automatically deleted, like permanently. So how to add columns? This was my page. And now if you want to restore it, just click on this arrow to restore. And you can see it's going to open and you can view your page. And this was basically how you can restore it. You can also search in the trash bar. So you can search for exact page if you have so many pages in the trash. And this was a quick video how you can undo delete in Notion. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one.